Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country, and you join me here today at this absolutely stunning 3 double bedroom apartment, 3 bathrooms, 3 parking spaces, right in the heart of Leamington's town centre on the famous parade. It really is a beautiful property. Let's take a look around. Join me in the lower ground floor of this amazing home where we've got the 3 double bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It really is a beautiful property. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.